Hello adventurers and welcome to the club. The last video I showed you this anodized red aluminium flashlight. And well, the thing is, I'm still kind of in the process of my annual EDC upgrade, and same discounter now sold this one here. They look like they are from the same factory. Let me see. It says, yeah, it's made in China by Müller Licht International. Yeah. And according to the label, it takes 2 AAA batteries. So one less than this one here. Let me unscrew this. This has this kind of adapter shape and uses 3 batteries. This one here is the kind of doctor light that they use to shine in your eyes to see if your pupils are contracting the right way. It got the same weak point, one of them non-replaceable clicky switches, and this is usually the thing that fails. It's the thing that failed on my last flashlight. So yeah, we get 2 batteries, and if we put, that's one annoying thing, that they are not really showing you the polarization. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see if we can look inside of here. Yeah, we kind of can, but not much, just a button. So we don't see any circuit board related stuff. It's probably not much of a circuit board. Might just be the LED without anything. Let's put this in here. By the way, there is a ring around it and a little rubber seal. From the build quality wise, it feels okay. I kind of like it. It has a belt clip, which is something I like. This front piece here looks like it is screwed on. Yeah, that's fake. It's just a groove cut into the aluminium to make it look like this is unscrewing, but it is fixed. Yeah, we got one single corb LED in here. Let's make the brightness test. And I gotta say, the small doctor light appears to be far brighter . Yeah, test shows it. We can still see here the LED inside, but this is completely blanked, so this is indeed the little doctor light is indeed brighter than this one here, because this probably uses a resistor inside to limit the power, and I guess this one is just giving it the full dosage. Next test is the pattern. We do this with a piece of paper. Number 1, the first, and the little doctor light. Let me do it like this. I hold it up, both in the same height. And that's interesting again. The doctor light now is far... I know what's going on. Yeah. The thing seems to be... the reflector cone inside this is far bigger than in this. And therefore, we get a different pattern. This is the standard pattern test, by the way. Now let's put this next to it. Yeah, we can kind of see a difference here. This is a bit wider and longer. This is really more like a shorter distance. It's whatever that here is. Yeah, interesting. So the question now is, which one of those two lights will be my new EDC light? I mean, I like the belt clip on this one here, that makes it very convenient. But yeah, I probably have to test them both for a few weeks to see which one is doing better. In terms of water resistance, I think this one will take the win, because this one here had this little chip out here, and I think water can just go fine in there. If I EDC carry it, I will put a bit of Vaseline onto the battery contacts to keep the moisture away. Yeah. So we have it here. Müllerlicht, little flashlight sold by Aldi. And I will have to remove the sticker, they look not nice.